Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here, let's check out this 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro CrewMax. It is going to be in the super wide exterior with the black leather. As far as our options go, we do have the Toyo Guard Platinum, the step rail, spray and bed liner, clear paper protection door package, and phone charger for a total of $53,559. Gas mileage, 13 city, 17 highway, 14 combined. But that's not why you buy one of these. Let's check out those wheels. We are riding on Michelin tires, and these are going to be the 18-inch alloys exclusive to your TRD Pro trim. As you can see, some badging right there, as well as your exhaust down below. Locking rear tailgate, as well as your trailer hitch and such. We'll go ahead and hop in. Unlock twice to unlock all your doors. This one does have 12 miles on it. So we'll go ahead and insert our key and twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath that hood, we do have the 5.7 liter dual overhead cam V8. It does make 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, all going to a part-time four-wheel drive system and a 6-speed automatic transmission. You can see all your TSSP safety tech right here. So you do have your lane departure alert with steer assist, dynamic radar cruise, pedestrian braking, automatic high beams, the whole 9 yards. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming in, we do have that black leather interior on this model, TRD Pro badging in your seats. These are going to be fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar. And as you can see, you do have your logoed floor mat as well. Those step rails do assist getting in quite a lot. In your door panel, you do have the same black leather red stitching, padded armrest, power windows, locks, mirrors over here on the door with your dome lights, bed lights, automatic high beams, headlamp height, and your rear sliding glass. Coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. Audio, Bluetooth, and voice commands over here on the left, and over on the right, you have your 4-way D-pad for your center screen and your gauges, as well as your dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with keep assist right here. Automatic headlights, fog lights, and your blinkers. Over on the right, you do have your variable intermittent speed wipers. Trailer brake control, tow haul mode, and your traction control. Looking at your dash, more of that red stitching over there. We come into your audio system. We'll check out our sources on this one. AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your apps right here, we do have our navigation. It is in-dash, full-fledged head unit. Destination input is best through an address, a point of interest, or 6 different presets down below. You do have your home screen you can customize. Below that, single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, temperature, and zones right here. You do also have your 4-wheel drive controller. Down here is going to be that 6-speed automatic, sport mode, and manual shift. As far as reverse goes, you do have your rear view backup camera right there. Various storage cubbies with your TRD Pro badging right there also. Huge center console with a 12-volt and storage up top. Glove box damped with your charger in there. Up top, you do have your auto dim mirror with garage home link integrated in. Mirror and vanity lights on your sliding sun visor with some map lights, sunglass storage, and your automatic sliding sunroof. But we'll go ahead and close that up. And that just about wraps it up for the front seat of the Tundra. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Coming back here, as you can see, your rear seat bench does fold up 60-40 to give you even more storage space in the cab, but you can easily fold that down. With this being the CrewMax model, you do have limo-like room back here. We'll go ahead and climb in and check it out. Behind my 5'9" frame, easy 1.5 to 2 feet of room behind my driver's seat position. Plenty of foot room to stretch out. Also do have a 12-volt outlet, seat mat pocket, as well as a nice padded armrest with cup holders. Do have adjustable rear headrest. This whole glass portion does slide down as well. Adjustable seat belts, damped cornering handles with coat hooks, as well as illumination up top. Door panel materials do follow through with your red stitching, padded door panel, your power window, and storage down below. So we'll give a nice view of the dash right here. And let's go ahead and check out the bed and we'll wrap up our video. Coming around back, you have your locking rear tailgate with your backup camera and all your trailer hookups down here. As you can see, your spare tire peeking through underneath your bed. It is going to be damped. You can see that spray and bed liner we did see on the options sheet. Bed rail system to make it easier to tie down larger stuff, and you do have D-rings in all four corners. So we'll go ahead and close this up. It is hydraulically assisted. And that just about wraps it up for the 2019 Tundra TRD Pro CrewMax. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.